Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Galen in Illinois on a Stryker SR-655. Galen, got it ready to go for you, bud? Along with your static mic. Let's get right to it. RF power all the way down, 50 watt slug, 1 watt all the way down. Now Galen, that's just if you decide to run an amp, you'll have full adjustability. 20 watts all the way up. I'm going to show you average power swing. Hello, 45, 46 bird. Really good for your noise canceling mic. 100 watt slug in PEP. Hello, 100 watts on the money. Alright, Galen, it's ready to come to you with all the rest of your stuff. For your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump bump.